Three easy ways that a jet ski sink. The first one I see most commonly is people launching the ski for the first time and they forget to put the bungs in, which is the two little black churning things that you go on the back that you use to drain your jet ski. You know, people get too excited. Oh yeah, we're gonna launch it, and when they realize they're halfway mile or offshore or whatever, and they realize, oh, we forgot the bungs, and they look inside the engine bay, and it's all rising up and getting a lot of water. We have like a procedure when we're gonna launch. Okay, the trailer, take the straps off, take the light board off, check the bungs, start the jet ski, everything is okay, then launch it. It's like a checklist that we have before we launch, so that way we don't forget anything. But even then, I have forgotten so many times. Even a couple of weeks ago, I went out and I completely forgot about it. So I do it as well. One solution for those problems is to install a bilge pump automatic. So in the case that you forget or something happened, you at least have like a gap that you can use to move to shore or try to get to shore, so the jet ski doesn't sink on you. So having a bilge pump is really important. The other thing that could happen is that you hit something submerged, a log, a piece of rock, or something, or on the new Sea-Doos, you get the whole bridge. They are so brittle, they break at the front or sometimes underneath, and that could be a problem. But obviously, that's unavoidable. It's not something that you can, if you cannot hit something, okay. But sometimes that is something that is destiny. And the other things that could happen is a bad alignment of the engine. You can have the carbon. So the carbon ring is something that goes into the shaft. And obviously, if the engine is not aligned correctly, you warn it out to one way, and obviously that allows leak. You won't be able to stop that. But if you have a bilge pump, you can reduce some of the impact. Then you can, quickly get to shore or the closest point that you can get and try to save the ski. Anyway, they don't sink because they got this foam at the front and on the side on the wells, so they stay afloat, nose up. So I don't think so you will lose it completely, but it's not a good idea to go out and sink, because obviously it's difficult. And the other thing could be a failure on the exhaust pipe. If that comes detaching anyway, that is about, I think it's 3 inches wide. So if that comes off, that's a sink, because it's, the water will come rushing from 3-inch pipe and that will sink you. That's 3 ways that you can easily sink.